Hello, Sudoku friends. Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the additional, not in today's newspaper. Today it's actually with Monday. With Monday, Monday the 6th, I believe, yes. June the 6th. We have no newspaper, it's with Monday. So I've decided to solve the additional of the Friday edition, Friday, June the 3rd, 2022. We have two puzzles left in this additional, the Two Stars Sudoku and the Tectonic with 1 star. But it's time for the Two Stars Sudoku. And this will be number 4658. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And for 26 printed digits, a two-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve the puzzle. That's my time limit, so let's get started. I see here the one in this row, the one in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left for the one should be here or there. We see here one in this column, the last column, so no one there. One should be there. All right. Okay. Then. Three missing numbers in this column, the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have a 6 and an 8 in this row, so no 6 and 8 in this box. The 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 6 goes there, so one digit left in the middle column for the number 9. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Two number. Wait. 3, 5, 7. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers. In this row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. So the 7 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. Remember those numbers. I won't mark those boxes because it's not in the big square. So one digit left should be the 3. Alright. Okay. How about yeah, 3 missing numbers. In the second row, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this column. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this second row for number 9. Alright. We have a 9 in this row. 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the second column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. Alright. 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, and look, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. So the 4 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 8. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 3. That means 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 4. Okay. Then. Yeah. No. I'm scanning. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are, 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in this column, so no 7 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 7 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 1 and 3 in this column, so no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Alright, 6, 6, 3, 3. Alright, 8, 8. 7 and 9. Think. 7. Wait. 8, 3, and a 5. 8, 3, 5, 2, 9, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1. No. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in the last, in this third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright, we have the 9. We have the 9. Okay. Two numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have the 1, the 5, and the 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6 in this column. 1, 5, 6, or in this big square. 1, 5, 6, and look, we have 1 and the 6 in this row, the last row. So no 1 and 6 in this box. The 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. Not the letter, but the digit 5. I'm very confused with the previous letter Sudoku, so my head confusion with the letters instead of the digits. All right, so now let me see. 7, 6, and then 9, 7, 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 7, 6. I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this column. The last column, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. This 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 9. 9, okay. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. Oh, all right. So now we have 2 missing numbers. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2, 2, 2, 2, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this last row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there in the last row. Here or there, we see here another 2 in this column, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. All right. 3 missing numbers now in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this column. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 7. All right. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, no. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, yeah, 6 and 8 are missing. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 5. If I know 2 numbers in this big square, 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there, finish in 50 minutes. Well, a little bit slower, but let me give this okay. It's a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also over by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Yeah, in this Friday edition, but it's not Friday. Actually, today it's with Monday. It will be a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.